I didn't even know you were there. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Keith's Place. I'm Keith. Today's video, well, first, before I get into what today's video is about, I just want to say I decided, as you can tell already, I'm outside. It's so beautiful out here. It's probably about 79 degrees. We're in the middle of August. I don't know where the summer went. The summer just flew by with all that's going on now, with this pandemic. I have a friend of mine. She calls it the plandemic. But anyway, this it's a beautiful day out here. July on the East Coast in the DMV, it was hot. July was hot. I mean, we had a whole bunch of 90 degree days, hot weather. But August so far, it's not bad. I mean, it's supposed to get really well. At night it gets pretty cool at night. Feels pretty good at night. Still want to have your air on. At least for me, I still keep the air conditioner on. But getting into what this video is about today, going to be taking a look at. Let me see now. Ifootage video tripod head. I think it's really nice. Picked it up for about $149.99 off of Amazon, and we're going to be taking a look at that. Quick, kind of like a little quick overview, and also picked up a UV filter for my the camera that I'm filming on now is the Panasonic S1H. I picked up just a plain UV filter, 77 millimeter. I just wanted to protect the lens, which is a kit lens that's on here, which is the 24 to 105. I'd rather damage this UV filter that I have over the lens than to damage the actual lens. You know, lenses are expensive. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, here going to be taking a closer look at the Ifootage fluid tripod head. Pretty solid, pretty solid and sturdy right off the bat. Okay, going to this level right here, this will allow you to adjust the pan and tilt arm, and it will let you twist this as such, and you can move this up and down. Then you can lock it back in, and this lever right here will allow you to move the quick release plate. Well, this allows you to loosen it up. Maybe that's the wrong one. Yeah, there we go. I was twisting it the wrong way. Okay, yeah. Like that. Tight, won't move. Loosen it, it moves. There's Ifootage, as you can see. Now on this side, you can, this lever right here, let me loosen this up over here. This will allow you to actually remove the plate. Oops. You can put it back on as such. Just push that in. Oh, wrong way, you gotta do it. Yeah, you can do it from that way. There we go. Screw this up over here. Screw to get it in there, because if that's hanging down a little bit, it'll interfere with this right here, right up under here. It'll like get in the way if this is hanging down too low. So you want to make sure that's screwed up in there. Just that like that. And this is actually, this lever right here will actually allow you to up and down like that. Loosen it up, and then once you tighten it up all the way, it doesn't move. Overall, this is very, very nice, sturdy, seems well built. And also, one thing I almost forgot is that you can take this off, this pan and tilt arm, take this off. I'm not going to take it off, I'll just show you. I'm not going to really take it off. You can take this off and put it on this side over here. So depending on what you're comfortable with, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay, well, that's a look at that. Now let's go to our next Ifootage item, which is a mini tabletop tripod. Okay, here we have the Ifootage tabletop tripod. Quick unboxing, very quick. Up to the side. Got a plane going on overhead. Messing up my audio. I don't know if you can hear it. This is a very sturdy tripod right here. This is an Ifootage tripod here. I'm going to deploy these legs. They have a clicking mechanism right here. There we go. Sorry about that. But this thing is very sturdy. Okay, to adjust these, you just push these in right here. pushes this up right here, so you can adjust it to the next, like such. Very sturdy. Got your little lever right here, which allows this to pivot. And then let me adjust my camera a little bit. Okay, if you want to release this, you can see there's a little locking thing right here. You can do like that. That'll release that. You can put your camera or whatever in here. And when I first saw this right here, I was like, man, this is kind of a thicker part. But I was like, you can do this. See that? See that? Pretty nice. Get this back now. Get this back in here, and this will screw on. You can screw this on to the bottom of your camera. Just do like that. All set, good to go. This thing is built like, I mean, I have which I'm filming on the S1H now, Panasonic S1H, and this is perfect for the camera. This thing is, the S1H is built like a tank, and this is built like a tank also. This is, I probably could run over this with my car. I wouldn't do it, and probably wouldn't damage it. This is, oh man. And it folds up. If you want to fold it on up, just do like this. So you can carry this. Very, very nice. And again, to adjust it, see, that's the first setting right there. Then if you want to make it less tall, just press these buttons in. Show you how flat it gets. Like so. Just like that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Perfect for a tabletop. Perfect for this tabletop. And as always, I will leave links in the description about these items, so if you are interested in purchasing any of them. All right, let's go ahead and see what my Panasonic S1H looks like on top of this.